AAA State of Play, a family-owned and operated business, an American company. Our headquarters and main distribution center are in Indianapolis, Indiana. We are more than 100 people strong. We have 30,000 customers and do business in all 50 states. We have all the equipment and expertise you'll need to plan, build, and maintain every aspect of outdoor play, exercise, and recreation. We're AAA State of Fun, giving children the chance to experience the joy of childhood with play, socialization, building bodies, and confidence with swings for one or many, slides that have a quick thrill or that go longer and faster, real fast, our climbers for little spideys and young adventurers. Our spring riders and seesaws give you plenty of bounce for the ounce, and spin, win, and go merry-go round and round. We are AAA State of Body and Mind, with exercise and fitness equipment and structures, even entire outdoor fitness play areas, adult fitness equipment, outdoor classrooms and learning, and all with an eye on accessibility and ADA compliance. Settle in. We're AAA State of Comfort and Convenience, with all kinds of tables, benches, chairs, trash receptacles. We can throw cooling, sun-blocking shade your way, and we give pets and their people the perfect place to play. Cushioning and confidence. We're AAA State of Safety, with safety surfacing choices that include wood fiber mulch, cushy rubber mulch, and top-of-the-line poured rubber surfacing. And we're all about alphabet soup for consumer product and safety rules and regulations. We are certifiable and up to code. We aim to please with the perfect mix of quality and value at AAA State of Customer Service, with quick follow-up to all customer requests and questions, a dedicated design team ready to work with you to pick out and plan your perfect playground, and a full range of installation help that includes do-it-yourself, hiring one of our experienced experts to supervise your crew, or we can install it all. We are AAA State of Let's Play.